Energy is a critical input into all sectors of the economy, and thus a viable energy sector is key to achieving sustainable economic development. Zambia has been experiencing a power deficit, and this has resulted in prolonged hours of load shedding to balance energy demand. Currently, energy in Zambia is largely derived from hydropower, and this has not adequately satisfied the increased demand. The renewable energy sector presents a viable alternative to complement existing hydropower generation. Zambia is endowed with various natural resources suitable for generation of renewable energy, such as abundant sunlight for solar energy, hot springs for geothermal energy, considerable wind speed for wind energy, forests and woodlands for biomass, agricultural crops for biofuels production. In view of its vision of unlocking Zambia's potential, the PMRC identified a local entrepreneur who has taken up the task of producing ethanol using molasses and other agricultural wastes. Blessings Gondwe is a graduate from the Copperbelt University and has been in the process of producing ethanol.
From here, this is just storage of the mash that you want to do the process with. It's helping us. So mostly just going to go this far. Column here, and it's packed with marbles and pebbles, just to increase the surface area.
Surface area, yeah.
And this way there's no electricity, and they're going to run.
And it will be able to work, yeah.
Yes. So once we put it in here, it is going to reduce the time for heating.
I get it.
Yes. So instead of us wasting maybe 1 hour to boil, it is going to be cut. So it's being done simultaneously. We are both heating it and we are cooling it. So now because there's less heat there, and then eventually it will come out here.
So the final product actually
comes out like this. From this black stuff, we're going to come up with this. So we need now to check whether it's okay or not. So those are different grades. The quality will be seen by to show the grade. Okay. So we know it's about 70%.
So this is where do you get the reading from here?
Yeah, from where the water. So this is 70. So it's okay. It's okay. Just check well and be able to see the color change. Okay. So seen from that we're able to come up with this, and then we're able to see that it's between these two, which is within the acceptable range. So it should at least between 6.5 to 7.5, that range. So we know that because that's the reason we're trying to use something that is like waste. Because if we have to use maize, like in Zimbabwe they're using maize, it's expensive. Yes, it's expensive, and we don't want to bring competition with food.
And how long so the one you put, how long can it last for?
This one would be. This one is enough for a small pot with boil water. The water will still it will work. So yes,
because actually we're very happy, I think, as PMRC to say this, because especially when we've been looking at renewable energies, we've discovered that like with the issue of load shedding being a reality, people are using charcoal and other means.
Yes.
But I think if we can have a mechanism such as this, which uses molasses, which are basically byproducts or waste in some industries, and you've decided to come up with that technology where they can actually have the end form of ethanol, and you've also taken the initiative also to come up with something that we call a stove.
Yes.
Okay. And the same ethanol here has been used as fuel, eco-clean stove. Exactly, eco-clean stove in light of climate change.
Yes,
clean
and this
energy,
is eco-clean stove fuel.
The fuel itself,
and this is the fuel that we use.
Is this
this one we're intending it to be. There's a 2-plate stove on the one. Most of the people they want the 2-plate stove. So the 2-plate stove would be between 65 to 75.
Renewable energy
But for now,
clean
it's
alternatives for Zambia and can contribute to the total energy output for Zambia. These would further contain the power deficit and drastically reduce load shedding and assist to meet the huge demand for energy.